Hello, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I am going to cover how to determine the unit cost, interest, discount, as well as commission. I would love for you to join me in working these 4 sample problems. So if you will, please pause the video and get a pencil and paper so you can work these problems along with me. Okay, before we work each sample problem, let's go over the definition for each. So for unit cost or unit price, that is the cost per quantity of an item. Now the quantity might be per item or unit of measurement, such as ounces, grams, or gallons. Our example here states, which is the best buy of canned chili based on the unit cost of each? Okay, we have 4 answer choices here. So for answer choice A, we have 6 ounces for 96 cents. Then we have 7 ounces for $1.26. 8 ounces for $1.20. Then 10 ounces for $1.70. Now we're going to solve this problem by working each answer choice. And we'll do that by taking the cost of 96 cents divided by 6 ounces. Okay, 6 goes into 9 one time. Then we subtract. And we bring down our 6. 6 goes into 36. 6 times. So for letter A, the unit cost is 16 cents. Let's move on to selection B, which is 7 ounces for $1.26. So here we're going to divide 7 ounces into $1.26. 7 goes into 12 one time. 1 times 7, 7. We subtract 7 from 12, we get 5. Bring down our 6. 7 goes into 56 8 times. So we have 18 cents for our unit cost for selection B. Just note these here. Now moving on to selection C, we have 8 ounces divided into $1.20. So 8 goes into 12 one time. 1 times 8 is 8. When we take 8 from 12, we're left with 4. Then we bring down our 0. 8 goes into 40 5 times. So we have 15 cents as our unit cost for C. And finally, let's work selection D. 10 ounces divided into $1.70. 10 goes into 17 one time. 1 times 10 is 10. 10 from 17 will leave us with 7. Bring down our 0. 10 goes into 70 7 times. And that's 17 cents for our unit cost for selection D. So the question is asked, which is the best buy? Therefore, which is the cheapest unit cost? And that will be selection C at 15 cents. So 8 ounces for $1 would be our answer choice. Next up is interest. Well, interest, as shown here, is a fee that is to be paid on money that has been borrowed or on a loan. Let's look at our example here. Diana purchased a certificate of deposit, or CD, for $2,500. The CD paid 6% simple interest per year. How much interest will Diana's CD have earned after 2 years? Okay, so there is a formula for solving simple interest. And that formula is I is equal to PRT. Of course, the I represents the interest. Now the P represents the principal amount. So in this problem, the principal amount is $2,500. And we're going to multiply that principal times the rate. So the R stands for rate. And the rate here is the percentage. So the percentage rate is 6%. So we're going to go ahead and convert that percentage rate into a decimal, which would be 0.06. That represents 6%. And the T stands for time. So that's the time factor that we're looking at, which is 2 years. So that T is 2. Now, in order to calculate the interest, we simply multiply the principal times the rate times the time. And you can use a calculator, or I'm going to go ahead and work it on the screen here. 2,500 times that 6%. I'm not going to forget my decimal places, so I have 2 decimal places. So that's $150 times 2, which is $300. So Diana will have earned $300 in 2 years. So as we can see, that is answer choice A. Moving right along, let's look at the discount. Discount is the difference between the regular or list price and the current selling price. So that's simply the regular price minus the sales price. That's how you get to the discount amount. Let's take a look at our example here. It says Stephanie bought a high fashion designer outfit that originally sold for $600 on sale for 20% off. What is the discount amount? Well, as I noted earlier, we found the discount amount by taking the original price and subtracting the sales price from it. However, in this example, you can see we do have the original price of $600, but we don't have the sales price. However, we do have the percentage of the sales price. We do have the percent off. So we have 20% off, so we're going to have to solve this a different way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that original price of $600, and to find the discount amount, we're going to multiply that original cost by the discount percentage, which is 20% off. So we can go ahead and do that. But we're going to first convert our percentage to a decimal, which is 0.20. So now let's go ahead and multiply. We have a 0 here, 2 more zeros, then 6 times 2 is 12. Let's go ahead and place our 2 decimal points here. So now we have $120. And that's it. That's our discount amount. And as you can see, that is letter choice A. Okay, moving on to our final example, commission. A commission is a fee that is paid to an agent or employee for performing a service or making a business transaction. For example, let's say you are an affiliate marketer and you're selling a product for someone. Well, that business or that individual, they will pay you what's called a commission fee for every sale. Could be 5%, could be 50%. Our example here says Cecilia makes a commission of 6% on houses she sells. If she sells a house for $250,000, how much money in commission does she make? To solve this, we're simply going to take Cecilia's sales commission rate of 6% and multiply that times the house amount of $250,000. So $250,000 times 6%. Let's go ahead and convert that to a decimal, which is 0.06. And then we multiply that. 6 times 0, 0, 0, 0. We have another 0 here. Now 6 times 5 is 30. We write that 0. Pen does not want to work anymore. Technical difficulties. It happens. There we go. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry that 3. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. All right. So we don't have to go through the process of the other zeros. So how many decimal places do we have here? 2. So starting from the back, 1, 2, we place our decimal here. And we see that Cecilia will make $15,000 in commission if she sells a house for $250,000. So that is answer choice D. I hope these problems made sense to you all. Thank you so much for joining me today for this video tutorial. Now I hope you have a better understanding of how to calculate the unit cost, interest, discount, as well as commission. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, have a great day.